Here's a worry we hear a lot. Won't an AI receptionist just replace my staff? It's a completely fair concern. You've built a great team, and the last thing you want is technology that pushes good people out the door. So let's put it plainly. Lyla isn't here to replace anyone. It's here to catch what your team simply can't. Because even the best receptionist can't answer 2 calls at once, work through the night, or never once take a break. So Lyla takes the overflow, the calls that come in while they're busy, after hours, or flat out, which frees your team from being chained to the phone to actually look after the customer standing right in front of them. That's the point. Your team, plus Lyla, means every call gets answered and nobody's run off their feet. It's a safety net for your people, not a replacement for them. Lyla works alongside your team, never instead of it. This is Lyla, your always-on front desk. Get started free at meetlyla.com.